Joseph Squall. He's an alumni.
Alumni. Okay. What are you doing, sir?
What are you doing, Joe? This is where he studied.
Doon ako nag-school. Doon ako nag-school.
Oh, sino natanda mong teacher?
Teacher Jenny.
Sino
Teacher
pa?
Mika.
Basta yung principal.
Sa Bislin.
Slim. Sino pa? Who else are here? Hello. Good afternoon. Do you remember? Oh my God, yes. Homecoming. Oh. Ayun na si Joseph. Oh my God. Hi, hello.
Hello.
Hello, kumusta po? Oh my God.
After 12
Kumusta po?
years. Yes.
Ilang taon?
How old are you now, Joseph?
27 na.
Oh my gosh.
Ganun na katagal?
Ganun katagal. He was like, how many years?
14.
14 years. 14 years.
Hindi, grade 2.
Your grade na yan. Hi po, Mrs. Spring. Hi.
Supreme. Oh, nag-ano po siya, nag-high school siya sa California. Tapos
Grade 3 hanggang grade 6.
oh, for him, that's the equivalent nung, ano,
Ang teacher niya before, sila teacher Micaela.
Yun ba?
Right? Ito, sila teacher.
miss na miss niya.
Domingo.
Okay.
Where's the preschool? Saan pa yun?
No, it's different na.
Ano yun?
They transferred to building 1 already.
Where?
Building 1 in Adante is under renovation. It's under
Madali
renovation.
po.
Want to visit?
Happy?
Renovation.
Are you happy,
Ano yung
anak? Are you
renovation?
happy, happy, happy?
Is they're nearing whatever is instruction.
What were they gonna study first? Were they gonna study there first?
On June 1.
June 1,
June
June
8.
8. June 8.
On June 8.
June 8.
June 8, mag-open na.
Oh. We start classes again. June
Yung
8.
renovation.
No, they're starting
Permanent
now, so the
requirement.
school will be ready by June 8.
Oh, June 8!
Very soon.
Very soon.
He's always proud being alumni ng St. Louis.
Teresa.
Lagi po niyang kinukwento yun. Lagi niya naalala. Tapos kahit na siya nag-high school, tapos nag-vocational siya, yung equivalent grade sa US, yun ang sinasabi niya.
Okay. That's good.
But ano na siya? Vocational na siya.
Natapos po niya yun sa...
So, what can you do now? What did you study? Vocational course. Ano?
Parang office work.
Gano'n.
Yung parang sa packaging, tinuturo sa kanila.
Hindi, volunteer.
Ngayon, nagbo-volunteer siya sa church.
Yes.
Sa community namin.
Thank you,
nag-a-answer.
tita.
Yes. Sure.
O,
Or si...
Okay. Una po kayo ng picture.